parallel plate capacitor filled with a medium of dielectric constant 10 is connected across the battery and is charged. The dielectric slab is replaced by another slab of dielectric constant 15. Then the energy of capacitor will A. increase by 50%, B. decrease by 15%, C. increase by 25%, and D. increase by 33%. So we know in case of a dielectric constant filled, energy will be half kCV square. In order to find the percentage change, we have to subtract final minus initial divided by initial and multiply 100 to it. So here we have percentage change is equal to half K2 into CV square minus half K1 into CV square by half K1 into CV square into 100. So here we can cancel half. We cancel CV square and CV square. And we'll get K2 minus K1 by K1 into 100. K2 and K1 we are given. K2 is given 15. So 15 and K1 is 10. Minus 10 by 10 into 100. So we can cancel this. We'll get 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. So we have 50%. Since there is no negative or anything, we can know that it is increase. So we have increase by 50%.